I'm going to talk to you a little bit about how automatic headlights operate. An automatically switched headlight system is one that turns on your headlights if the conditions outside require it. Some situations that might require you to switch your headlights on might include rain, snow, or darkness. So how does the car know if it's raining, dark, or snowing outside? Typically, cars today will use some type of image sensor or infrared sensor to detect the amount of light outside and will switch the headlights on or off accordingly. Some systems also employ the use of a photoresistor or photocell. This type of sensor has a resistance value that changes with the amount of light that is contacting its surface. The less light that hits the photoresistor, the greater the resistance of the sensor. If you were to place a load in parallel with this photoresistor, you could power a device, such as a relay for a headlight. With the load in parallel, as the resistance of the photocell increases, more current is forced through the load, which in turn powers the device. Now, I've built a crude model of an automatic headlight system, which includes a 15 amp relay, two 470 ohm resistors and two 220 ohm resistors to form an 82.5 parallel resistance that is in series with the photocell, a 2K to 13K range photocell, a 12.8 volt 55 watt headlamp from a car, and a power supply for the sensor voltage of 9 volts and the supply voltage of 12.8. Hey guys, I just wanted to demonstrate a little bit how a photocell works and how it changes resistance as more or less light hits it. That's the photocell right there, and I've got the resistance in K ohms displaying on the screen there. I don't know if y'all can see that, but if you watch, it starts at about 2K, and as I bring my hand closer and get less and less light on the photocell, the end resistance increases. As I move my hand away, the resistance decreases. And that's the basic operation of a photocell. Okay, so here's my system for the automatic dimming headlight. You've got your 9 volt supply here going into a voltage divider, which puts the voltage across this at approximately 7.7 volts. This is your photoresistor, and it is responsible for providing the signal to this relay. And when this relay is switched on, it activates the 12 volt supply that goes and powers this automobile headlight. So we'll see how it works here. You can see that works pretty well. So as I move my hand across it, the amount of light that's hitting the photocell decreases, which activates the relay and turns on the headlight. It's pretty simple. Modern automobiles use a similar system, but this is a basic representation of that system found in cars today. And there you go.